Welcome to our channel. If you want to add TSA PreCheck to your airline ticket, follow these step-by-step instructions for faster airport security screening. Step 1. Locate your known traveler number from your TSA PreCheck approval documentation or by logging into your TTP account at ttp.ts.gov. Step 2. Visit your airline's website or open their mobile app, then access your flight reservation using your confirmation number and last name. Step 3. Look for options like Manage Reservation, View Booking, or My Trips to view your flight details. Step 4. Select the passenger name you want to update, then click Edit next to the traveler information. Step 5. Find the known traveler number or secure flight information field within the passenger details section. Step 6. Enter your 9-digit KTN number in the appropriate field and save the changes. Step 7. Verify that your information has been saved by reviewing your updated reservation details. Step 8. When you check in for your flight, confirm that your boarding pass displays TSA PRE in the upper right corner, indicating you're eligible for TSA PreCheck lanes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.